Corps Commander and Staff, John Joel Casiao. Troop Commander, Anjo Secreto. S1 Adjutant, Adeline Bantayan. S2, Raven Periabras. S3, Gianna Marie Olea. S4, Majorates Leader, Michelle Puso. Band Leader, Floresan Bagayawa. Company Commander, Mac James Camila. Company XO, Lourdes Ann Curativo. First Platoon Leader Boys, John Paul Mayao. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Gretchen Legardo. CAT Facilitator Commandant, Teresa Borromeo. Major Trainer, Homer Villarreal. Bandmaster Trainer, Christian Alferez. Catherine Albino and Christian Romano. CAT Assistant Coordinator, Ricky Villanueva. CAT Trainer, Froilan Secretaria. Major Coordinator, Joy Benganao. Major Assistant Coordinators, Joan Manao and Danica Magdo. TBC DLC Coordinator, Yeda Dakala. Tito Nacario, Jonathan O. Cabanes. TBC DLC Assistant Coordinators. Entry number 42, Santo Niño National High School, Santo Niño, Iriga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 42, Santo Niño National High School, Santo Niño, Iriga City, Camarines.